Welcome, curious minds. Today, we're going on a fascinating journey through time to explore how the humble typewriter evolved into the sleek and powerful computers we use today. Grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's get started. Our story begins in the early 19th century. The typewriter, often referred to as the precursor to modern word processing, was first conceptualized in 1808 by an Italian inventor named Pellegrino Turri. While his design was rudimentary, it marked the beginning of a revolutionary idea: mechanized writing. Turri's invention was created to help his blind friend write letters, but it wasn't until 1868 that Christopher Latham Sholes developed what's widely recognized as the first practical typewriter. It was called the Sholes and Glidden typewriter, or simply the Remington No. 1, after the gun company that manufactured it. Fun fact: Sholes also invented the QWERTY keyboard layout, which is still used today. He arranged the keys to reduce jams in mechanical typewriters, a feature we don't need anymore, but still use out of tradition. Fast forward to the mid-20th century. The advent of electric typewriters in the 1930s and 40s by companies like IBM marked the next big leap. These machines were faster, more efficient, and laid the groundwork for digital text processing. The IBM Selectric typewriter, introduced in 1961, was a game changer. It replaced the traditional type bars with a rotating and pivoting type ball, which allowed for faster and more reliable typing. While typewriters were evolving, the first electronic computers were being developed. The ENIAC, created in 1945, was one of the earliest general-purpose computers. It filled an entire room and was used primarily for calculations. In the 1970s, personal computing started to take shape with machines like the Altair 8800. It had no screen or keyboard, just switches and blinking lights, but it was enough to ignite the imagination of visionaries like Bill Gates and Steve Jobs. The late 70s and early 80s saw the rise of personal computers. The Apple II, launched in 1977, was one of the first to gain mass appeal. IBM's introduction of the IBM PC in 1981 further solidified the transition from typewriters to computers. Unlike typewriters, computers could edit text without retyping entire pages. Word processors like WordStar and Microsoft Word transformed how we wrote and stored information. And here we are today, with devices that fit in our pockets, yet boast more computing power than the machines used to land humans on the moon. Modern computers have made communication faster and more versatile, but the essence remains the same, helping us express ideas. From the clack of typewriter keys to the silent touch of a tablet screen, we've come a long way. But let's not forget the typewriter's charm, a symbol of persistence, creativity, and progress. What's your favorite part of this journey? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating dives into history and technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.